Salutations! Let's repot and restyle this Cuban laurel. The backside will become the new front. We will start off with cutting off the lowest branch. Cutting the aerial roots so that the branch can completely come off. Stubs will be cut flush. This cutting will be used. It will be in the mist house until it grows roots and then be put in soil.
The dragonfly's back. Yeah, it's back. Salutations, beautiful. I can't even see you because it doesn't want to.
Ficus naturally secrete that white substance after they get cut. I'll paint this on the aerial root spots. Then on the big cut, I will apply this cut paste. It is a putty-like substance. This prevents water from getting into the wound as it heals over. Over time, the putty will fall apart and come off. I'm going to demonstrate the reasoning as to why we're making the backside the front. What I'm showing you here is called a pigeon's breast. It's basically like a hump of aerial root growth. Also, the apex of the design is facing towards the back. We want the design to be facing towards the viewer. So that is why we are making the back the new front. Here's another point of view of the apex facing towards the back. And now it's wire time. Here it is, fully complete. Another reason why the back will be the new front is because it has much better aerial roots aesthetically. So what we're looking at now is the new front. Them aerial roots are just so nice. This is a sickle. Separates the tree from the pot. Let's give it a new pot. Here Dom is assisting Eric with getting the tree out of the pot. This big root will be removed so that we can reduce the size of the root ball. That's what Eric is demonstrating here. And there we go. Time to shave away. We had two dragonfly friends that were hanging out with us majority of the day. This one wasn't even fazed by moving the tree. It stayed there the whole time. Time to give it a good old rinse. Here we go with the turntable. Here's a better look at the aerial roots. Now it'll stay in the shade house until it is ready to go in the sun. Thanks for watching, and follow us on all social media platforms.